Hey you guys, and welcome back to Living Life with Nita D. You guys, tried this restaurant. Guess what? They were closed, so I ended up going to Mickey's Subs. Inside, it was more so like a store, but I ordered food, and that's all. Okay, so Mickey's Subs, I ended up ordering the Italian, which was one of the popular subs that he told me, and Mr. Mickey is back there making my sub. I got it toasted, and you know, when you see them little stains on there, you know it's good. Okay, you know it's good. I wanted extra onions, but that was enough because those onions are a little potent. Okay, but I tried it. Let me just tell you, this ain't no Firehouse, this ain't no Subway, this ain't no ordinary sub. This is an outstanding sub. And that sauce right there, that sauce should have been on there. What's up, you guys? So today I had to run it back. Okay, I had to go to Mickey's. Okay, Mickey's sub. What did I tell y'all? If it's got the stain, it's good. All right, so I got the same thing. I just did not get the lettuce on it. That's the only thing that I changed. So, oh, and this time he put the sauce. He put that sauce on there. He put that sauce on there. Cause your girl was scared. I don't just be trying stuff. I try stuff, but I don't be just trying stuff. Okay, so you gotta ease it on me a little bit. So yeah, your girl got the Italian. I did not get lettuce this time. And did he put onions on here? I hope he put onions on him. And he see it, baby, honey. Look, grease already. But hey, we finna try down. I had to give me a little napkin real quick because this is about to be messy and so good. Okay. Oh, he put the sauce on there. Oh my Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord. This is gonna be so good. It's got my salami on here. It's got my green peppers, my onions, my cucumbers, and my tomatoes. Y'all know I love my little veggies. Not that olives and all that other stuff. Keep it simple, baby. All right. So look, everybody needs to try this Mickey's. If you're in the Tampa area, you need to try Mickey's. Oh, gotta say your grace first. All right. That oil has like some type of garlic in it. So good. Oh. Mr. Mickey! Mr. Mickey. Whew. I'm glad I did leave that restaurant. Whew. You know when something, one of your, whatever piece of your sandwich fall on the paper, every piece is an essential piece of this sandwich. Like, it cannot be missing. I'm be ready for a nap. You're ready for a nap. But yeah, if you're in the Tampa area, you need to make your way to Mickey's Subs. All right, make sure you get a foot long, because the 6-inch, you gotta have one for now and one for later. The 6-inch gonna do it, but you gotta have one for later. Priced reasonably. Tastes amazing. Out of this world. Try it. Let me know if you ever tried Mickey's Subs down in the comments, or if you want to try it. All right, let me show y'all my sandwich. All right, peace out. I got a sandwich to eat.